Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today it's construction day. Well, tomorrow actually they're starting. So I have just been putting things together, and because we have to go sleep somewhere else, they're going to do this for 2 weeks. I'm a special needs mom with a cerebral palsy child and a typical daughter. They are coming to do reconstruction on everything because everything here just needs to go. So I'm going to show you how it looks, the before, and then after it's done, of course, I'll show you the after. So this is how it looks like. This is the bathroom. I've already emptied it, and some parts like these ones really look like ew here, but don't judge. There was something there. And there's a switch here. Yeah, the person that lived here was handicapped, and that was just easy. And this is a handicapped toilet. It's very, very high, and there the roof there is already peeling. This was like this when we moved in, so they said they're gonna change that as well. And that is the shower. It's an open plan shower. Yeah, this was very, very difficult for all of us, and but we managed. Then we've got our basin. It's also very low for, obviously, because I've got a special needs child, so the mirror is also low, so that this is all going to change. This is where I put my washing machine and my dryer. So basically this is our bathroom, our open plan bathroom, the before. Ideally, I would love a bathtub because it's good for my cerebral palsy daughter. It's good for her muscles because she's got spasms as well. Spasticity, she has that. That's what it says. I can never pronounce that word. Do not judge. Now, because she doesn't have a tub, this is what I got as an alternative. So this is the tub we got for her, and it has helped her so much. And yeah, every time she needed a bath, this is how I would always put it through. It's very, very big. It's about 1 meter plus, almost two meters. It's also for adults, but I only got it for my babies. So I will put it there and I will pull in the water. The shower is up there, so this is what I would normally do. Put the shower there and boom, open it up, and then it goes right in. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes before it fills up, yeah? But at the end of the day, the job gets done. As you can see, it's got 2 little thingies here, so we close that when we want to put in water, and obviously when we want to empty water, we let it open. This, I have no idea what this is. If you have the same tub, please do explain. I would still love to know. It doesn't really bother her, so she loves it in there. And as for the shower, I first got her this handicapped shower seat. She did not like it at all. It's very comfortable. It's got these little holes where the water just drains in there. The thing is, it doesn't have another stable for back support, which she actually needs. So she wasn't a fan of this. It's adjustable, as you can see. And yeah, we didn't use this for very long. She was not a fan. So what I did is I got her this one. Now, this one was like her favorite. It still is. She loves it because it's got a back support over here. Now, remember, my cerebral palsy daughter cannot walk and stand yet on her own. Therefore, when she takes a shower or a bath, it's supervision 24/24, and meaning at all times. And if she has to shower without this chair here, it will not work. Yeah, it means I have to hold her constantly from beginning to end, and that was too much for me. So that's why we got her this chair. I am so excited. I cannot wait. but unfortunately there's not going to be a bathtub, which is what I actually initially asked for, and they say that it's not possible because of the way the house is constructed and the pipings and the tubes and all that construction talk. I have no idea, so I cannot wait to see how big of a space I'm going to have, because I still need to use that bathtub unless I need to get another one, but that will all be decided in 2 weeks time. So this is day one of the construction. I just came to get a quick pic and see how things are going. And I just came quick to see how everything is going, and it seems like they really are working and putting everything in it. I cannot wait to see how this is going to turn out. Hey dolls, I've already started putting a few things inside. So they are done, and this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving it. It's good. I'm still a bit saddened that we don't have a place for a bathtub, but okay, we'll make the most of it. So I see they gave me space here for the tub. So they are done here. Mirror. Everything is stunning. It's not too high. It's perfect height for my babies. There's a little climber. They're gonna climb there. And I've already started putting a few things there that I need for me while I was busy here. And there is my dryer and my washing machine. So I'm happy with how everything turned out to be. This is my new shower room, and it is amazing, and I'm loving it. So far, so good. There's just a lot of painting, as you can see there, a lot of things were scratched out. So I have to do some painting here, and I have to do some painting here. Oh my gosh, it's my whole door. And I need to do some painting there. Woo! Woo! It has to be done. Well. I'm really excited. I'm really happy. And I have space for the bathtub. And that's all I actually needed. So darlings, until next time, you stay blessed and mwah! I love you. I'll see you in the next. Bye.